Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting one clear role and team. This narrows searches and tailors your resume for Apple systems. Once done, highlight 1 or 2 measurable achievements so recruiters see impact quickly. Make sure your Apple ID and 2FA are active to access internal tools and submit applications. This prevents delays. While you prepare, gather dates, titles, and manager contacts. These speed form completion and ensure consistency across the application materials. You now apply through Apple's job portal and keep each job ID for follow-up. This helps track progress. Then customize your resume and a short cover note for the specific role. Mirror keywords from the job posting to pass automated filters. Prepare a concise portfolio or 1-3 project write-ups that show problem, action, and result. Recruiters want concrete impact. Once submitted, schedule time to plan interview prep and gather references so the next phase moves quickly. You'll enter interviews with both behavioral and technical rounds. Confirm format and participants ahead so you can tailor prep. Practice star-style answers and rehearse technical problems aloud. This builds clarity and speed under pressure. After interviews, send a concise thank you that reiterates your top qualifications and interest. If you don't hear back, follow up politely at 1 and 2 weeks. If issues persist, recheck application status, update materials, and consider applying to a related role to stay visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.